But if you thought religion, spirituality was only for boomers and perhaps older generation, for perhaps our grandparents and parents, think again. Because Gen Z is redefining what they consider clubbing. Have you heard of the word called bhajan clubbing? Where a lot of Gen Z get together, these are young folks, but they enjoy a bhajan without booze. They dance, they interact with each other. It's like a full ecosystem, but without any food or alcohol. It's just indulgence into their own spirituality. And an extension to that is actually meditation camps. Now, what's been happening as a trend for 2026, and this one has to really agree, especially me, is that Gen Z and a lot of younger folks in the country are saying, listen, I don't want to start the new year with a hangover. I want to start with deep meditation and dedicating to good body and mind. Here's the latest trend to meditate and to go to yoga centers. Take a look.